Okay, welcome to our nightmare. It is like 92 degrees here. That's like, it may not sound like a lot, but in Wisconsin that sucks ass because this is really, it's like
100% humidity right now.
Yeah, it's bad. It's not no dry heat, so it really sucks. So Paul got his poly motor mounts. What were they? They're like what, 130?
That was 134 with shipping and PayPal fee.
Yeah, 134 shipping. Is this who it's from?
Yeah.
And this guy, GNT, Golf November Tango Performance. So yeah, now we got Paul's getting things unbolted, and we're gonna try and.
Okay, we just need the jack now. We can try and lift the motor up.
We're gonna do that, and hope to God that works. We only have to raise it this top part because the bottoms are just bolted on.
I already got them out. They're right here.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, so the bottoms just have these bolts that you could just go through here. I'm like holding it above the fucking camera like an idiot.
It's up here.
Yeah, can't you see it? But yeah, so let's try and get that off. That'd be freaking phenomenal. Get them swapped out. This video is obviously way after, but this is the like the day after we hit 500 subscribers. So, so we're preparing for the burnout that you will hopefully have seen before this video comes out, which you should. So, but yeah, let's get them in there and get this shit prepped. All right, well, we got that one in, kind of. They're in. Now we just gotta get the bolts in. When we first did it, it really sucked, so this should be a great time. But yeah, so we just gotta get those bolted in, and then Paul's got to put all the crap back on that he took off. Okay, this side's bolted in. Paul's just tightening up the top one, and you can hardly even see in there. Whoop. But trust me, there's one in there. We put, where's that old one? Here it is. So here's the old ones. These are, oh, that one. One isn't bad, but the other is terrible. This side, the driver's side, I can move it with my finger. Wow. The other one's pretty good, but this one's shot. But yeah, we weren't able to get this guard off. But it shouldn't matter because this is the intake side, so it shouldn't get hot. But the other side, that one came off, so we put that one on, so that way we don't have to worry about heat ruining it. So yeah, let's carry on. All right, well, they're in, tightened, everything's buttoned back up. You want to start it?
No, not yet. That's put the 2 catch can things on.
Oh, okay, so we just got to put 2 catch can things on, then we'll be right back and we'll start it up, see what it feels like, or if it looks and feels different. So I would hope so. If not, that's a damn shame. All right, let's well, I mean, it is hot. We've been in this hot ass garage forever, so of course it's not gonna be hot. Yeah, so let's see if it shakes. Yes, that's the other. So much better. Yeah, that's what Polly's gonna do. Yeah, it doesn't. It moves like 2 millimeters max. Well, dang. It's shaking the ground. I can feel the ground shaking. But yeah, there it is. So that should be a good time.
Yeah, that really shakes now.
That should definitely help with
oh my God, why is
doing a burnout.
That's not good.
Ooh, that's coming out that, yeah. Sweet. Oh, now we gotta deal with that. Yeah. It's pissing radiator fluids coming out the...
Hopefully it's just the cap and not the
back cap
thing.
Alright, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, so I'll yell really loud. But we're on our way to O'Reilly's right now, so that way we can get him a new radiator cap. So, he's ahead of me. We fixed it so it's not leaking. So we're just gonna buy a couple of extra ones, so that way if it goes bad, we got it. He's got coolant in it, so we're already halfway there. So far so good. And then we'll probably go to the hill for a short bit, and that'll probably be it for today. Since I gotta get up early in the morning tomorrow, and then hopefully tomorrow we can get everything filmed for the burnout video. So let's do that. Well, we had some quick trip, so now we're heading to the hill. Alright, we're here. This is a new one. We'll look at this one real quick. Got Pro Charge Hemi. I'm doing. It's like 800 some horse. Sweet.
I know all about Corvette tires.
Alright, heading home. So, that's probably going to be it for this one, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Well, Paul officially fucked up.
Me? These 3-day welds. Oh my god. I found the rattle.
My god. That's insane.
We got this bad boy coming out.
It's probably because we were fucking reaping on it. We put so much pressure on that.
Yeah, it's probably when we were doing the motor mounts.
Oh, that's a damn shame. It didn't break at the weld. It broke like at the edge of the weld. So it wasn't my welds. It's their cheap Chinese, or that's actually that's not even the piece that's up on the top. Isn't that mild steel? Yeah, so this top part's mild steel, so it disconnected.
But the manifold's stainless, I think.
Yeah, but it's not, the welds are still there. You can see the weld is on the bottom. It's broke above the weld. So it like broke.
So we just gotta
re-weld it again.
take the turbo off probably.
I don't know. Fuck! We gotta do a burnout too? God damn it. Ah, that sucks ass.
Well, there went all the two-step. Right out that.
You lost another bolt too.
On the turbo?
Yeah, right down there.
Screw these bolts. Oh yeah, look at that. It's just falling apart.
God damn, we just can't keep this fucking thing together.
It just rattled itself apart.
So, yeah. That sucks.
It's a real shame.
Ah, fuck.
It's a real shame.
Guess we're not doing a burnout tomorrow.
I figured we'd do it on Sunday.
Yeah, hopefully everything goes according, because we're probably going to have to pull that off.
What, exhaust?
Manifold, yeah.
Why?
Because it's gonna be impossible to get to the back. You don't want any fucking exhaust leaks.
Go back.
Back
This
here?
side?
Back here, the whole thing's got to be re-welded again. It blew out like 3/4 of it. Plus, I don't want it splattering all over your fucking valve cover, your timing
we can't
belt.
take it off because we don't have any more studs. Because if we break another stud, then it's done.
Well, you better run to O'Reilly's tomorrow.
We don't have studs.
Yeah, they do. They should. I don't remember. Because I don't remember if you had to order yours. I got mine. I actually bought mine at Conquest.
I ordered mine online on eBay.
Yeah, hopefully maybe they got one. If not, well, that sucks. Ah, fuck, that sucks. Alright. This is actually where we're going to end it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.